Neglo, ang neglo din. Smile. Pita niyo.
Lili ka na araw. Kau ba? Slide. Speak. Jaman.
Adik mana?
So we now have here the grade 6 pupils of Kabuluan Elementary School doing their woodcraft projects in their EPP. Using their hands in assembling the different patterns that they have chosen. Different patterns have been chosen by these pupils. Some chose the swan, the bicycle, an automobile, tennis court, pencil holder, and a lot of different patterns. So they are now working on it. First process is the process of pushing out the patterns. Okay? Divina, will you show us how you push out yung one pattern? Push it out. Okay? Push it out. Be careful, be careful. See to it that the patterns are not broken. Yeah, oh. That's the way how to push it out until it is completely removed from the plate. Show me mamaya, pag naipakita mo. Okay. Push it out. So they are in the process of pushing out the patterns out of the plates. So here it is. Now this is a part of the pencil holder. Yeah. Show me yung na-push out mo. Show me yung na-push out mo. You show me. You show it here. You show it here. Oh, show me. Ayan, oh. Okay. Be careful, be careful. After that, you show me yung part, ah. Okay, you show it now. This one, okay? How about you, Divina? Asan na yung na-push out mo? Okay? And you, Jomelyn? Okay, that's the first process, pushing out. Then later on, pag na-push out na ninyo lahat yan, you arrange na yung different parts, then look at the picture, then follow the instructions. Okay? Be careful with the different parts. Pag may nawala dyan, if some part or any part is lost, well, that will be your problem. So once again, we have the grade 6 pupils of Kabuluan Elementary School in their EPP doing their projects named Woodcraft. Ano ito? Anong tawag? Woodcraft Construction Kit. How about you? Alin na pili mo noon? Car? Wala na atang car. Wala na. Airplane na. Dito, sa mesa dito. Kumuha ka ng upuan. So, another group of grade 6 pupils now outside their classroom so that they will have enough space to do their project in the woodcraft construction project. No, they are in the process of pushing out. Yan, this one, pinupush out yung a certain part. Pakita mo yung pinupush out mo. Yan, you just press it out. Yes, press it out until sa time na ma-detach na rito. Okay? Oh, show me that one, Katrina, yung na-push out mo na. That one is show. Yan, oh. And you, Kim, trying to push out. Be careful sa pag-push out, ah. Be sure not to break it out. Ayan. Tingnan natin yan na push out mo na yan. Okay? Keep that one. Don't lose it. These are the different parts. Okay, Princess. Ano yung pinupush out mo, Princess? Okay. So, these are little hands now doing something in their EPP. Okay? And Crystal is having, ayan yung net ng tennis yan. No? It's a pen holder. So these are grade 6 pupils of Kabuluan Elementary School doing their project in EPP. So we go to another group. Scattered sila. They are scattered all around to have enough space. And another group is here. Do not start assembling not unless na-push out pa ninyo lahat ang pieces.
Yes, sir.
Ano ito?
Sir, sir.
Follow instructions, ha? I-push out muna ninyo, then i-arrange na yung mga different parts, saka mag-start to assemble. Follow the instructions, okay? Okay. So, this is another group of grade 6 pupils doing their project. And sa unang proseso, the first process is yung pushing out of the parts out from the plate. Then later on, you have to arrange yung na-push out ninyo, then look at the picture, then find out yung different parts, saan ilalagay yung part. Hindi yung na-push out mo, i-assemble mo na. You cannot do that. Ha? Be careful sa pagpupush out. No? Huwag bibigla-biglain, okay? So it's another group of grade 6 pupils outside their classrooms doing something. A nice project for their EPP.